In a surprising turn of events, a large number of PiNetwork pioneers have taken over social media, flooding platforms with Pi-related content during former United States President Donald Trump's live broadcast. A new era of crypto mobilization. The cryptocurrency space has long been defined by decentralized engagement, where communities, rather than corporations or governments, take the lead in promoting adoption. However, the recent social media campaign by PiNetwork supporters demonstrates a new level of digital mobilization, with crypto enthusiasts actively seeking out high-visibility platforms to amplify their message. Trump, known for his controversial yet highly influential presence, commands a vast audience across multiple digital channels. By synchronizing their efforts with such a widely watched event, Pi pioneers capitalized on an opportunity to introduce millions of viewers, many of whom may have never heard of PiNetwork, to the emerging digital currency. While the flood of Pi-related posts during Trump's broadcast might appear spontaneous, the scale of participation suggests that some level of coordination may have been involved. Similar tactics have been seen before in the cryptocurrency industry, with supporters of various projects rallying to make their voices heard during major global events. The core message behind these posts was clear. PiNetwork is a digital currency for the people, designed to be mined on mobile phones without the need for expensive hardware. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require substantial financial investment, Pi aims to provide financial inclusion, making it accessible to individuals across all economic backgrounds. Pi's growing community and ongoing development are positioning it as a strong contender in the future of digital payments. By injecting these narratives into a politically charged discussion, Pi supporters managed to reach a demographic that might not typically engage with cryptocurrency discourse. The move not only demonstrated the passion of the Pi community, but also underscored the increasing intersection between technology, finance, and political engagement. The rise of community-driven movements in cryptocurrency is nothing new. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin all experienced significant growth thanks to their dedicated user bases, spreading awareness and driving adoption. However, PiNetwork's strategy appears to be more deliberate and socially integrated, leveraging real-world events and media visibility to expand its reach. For PiNetwork, this latest episode could mark a turning point. Mainstream awareness. By associating with a high-profile event, Pi has gained increased visibility beyond just crypto enthusiasts. Market interest. As more people hear about Pi, curiosity about its future potential, mainnet launch, and real-world usability will grow. Regulatory attention. Large-scale mobilizations like these might attract regulatory scrutiny, especially as Pi inches closer to full-fledged adoption. Meanwhile, for the broader cryptocurrency industry, this event serves as a reminder of the power of decentralized advocacy. Unlike traditional financial institutions, which rely on institutional investors and corporate lobbying, crypto projects thrive on the dedication of their communities. The ability to mobilize thousands of individuals simultaneously speaks volumes about the potential of blockchain-based networks to influence mainstream conversations. With its open mainnet launch on the horizon, PiNetwork is approaching a critical juncture. If it successfully transitions into a fully functional cryptocurrency, it could challenge traditional financial models and offer an alternative digital currency for everyday transactions. However, challenges remain. Adoption, regulatory approval, and real-world integration will be crucial factors in determining whether PiNetwork can sustain its momentum. The community's enthusiasm is a strong asset, but long-term success will require technological development, merchant adoption, and institutional trust. One thing is certain, PiNetwork is no longer just a niche project within the crypto world. Its supporters have shown that they are willing to take bold steps to push their vision forward, even if it means making their presence felt in unexpected places. As the world watches the evolution of digital currencies, PiNetwork is positioning itself not just as a cryptocurrency, but as a movement that is actively shaping the future of decentralized finance.